Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 16.1 question number 6. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Let us find. How to find this one? That is AB into 5 is equal to CAB. The first one is the multiplication of B and 5. B and 5 is giving a number whose ones digit is B again. If we multiply, that is the multiplication of B, the multiplication the multiplication of b and 5 is a number whose ones digit is b again. Ones digit is b again. This is possible when b is equal to 0 or 5. When b equal to 5, in case of b equal to 5, in case of b is equal to 5, in case of b is equal to 5, the product will be the product b into 5 product b into 5 is equal to 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 is equal to 25. 2 will be a carry for the next step. 2 will be a carry for the next step. We have 5 into a 5 into a plus 2 is equal to ca. Five a plus 2 is equal to ca, which is possible for a is equal to 2 or 7. We put the value a 2, 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 is 12, is 2 again. Or if you put 7 into 5, I say 35 plus 2, 35 plus 2 is 37, 3 it is 7. It is possible only for a is equal to 2 or 7, right? The multiplication is as follows. It is 25 into 5 is equal to 125. Into 5 is equal to 125, and also if we put a is equal to 7, then 75 into 5. 75 into 5 is equal to 375. 375. 375. If b is equal to 0, if b equal to 0, then b into 5, b into 5, b into 5 is equal to, b into 5 is equal to 0 into 5 is equal to 0. There will be no carry in this step. There will be no carry. There will be no carry in this step. In this step, in the next step, in the next step, in the next step, the next step, 5 into a equal to ca. 5 into a is equal to ca. 5 equal to ca. It happens only when it happens if a is equal to 5 or 0. Equal to 5 or 0. However, a cannot be 0. A cannot be 0. Cannot be 0 as AB is a two-digit number. As AB is a two-digit number. Is a two-digit number. Two-digit. AB is a two-digit number. Hence a can be 5 only. Hence a can be 5 only. The multiplication is as follows: 50 into 5. There is 500. 5 is 25, 250. Hence there are three possible values of ABC. Hence there are three possible values of ABC. Number 1 is 502 respectively, 502 respectively, 502 respectively. Number 2 is 251 respectively. First one is 502 respectively. Next one is 251 respectively, and the other is 753 respectively. And the third number is 7 5 3 respectively. Right? We are getting this one, that is 50 into 5, 251 and 753. Right? Let us, we have got this value, that is this one, 25 into 5 is 125, 75 into 5 is 375, and 50 into 5 is 250. Right? That means this value 502, 251 and 753 respectively. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.